High Frequency ACDC Current Probe CP Series Unboxing and Operation. The portable case contains the probe main unit and an adapter with conversion plug. Now let's demonstrate. First, connect the probe to the oscilloscope. Then insert the conversion plug to the adapter. And use the standard adapter to power the probe. A green indicator light means a successful power supply. Make sure the slider is in the lock position and hear a click sound indicating that it has been tightly clamped. Then press the 0 button for 0 calibration. Next, connect to device under test. Make sure the slider is in the lock position. Hear a click sound indicating that it has been tightly clamped. Finally, start the power supply of the DUT. Set up the oscilloscope to observe the waveform.